With another daily dose of insights powered by Container Exchange. My name is Christian, and every other day we bring to you the key news, stories, and data points that move container markets and hence your business. It's Friday, so we take a quick look back at the week. Quite a volatile week still with the economy in jitters about the banking sector, and everybody sort of having question marks on their mind about the next move by the worldwide central banks, essentially. In the meantime, Chinese non-manufacturing PMI came in surprisingly positive this morning. We really saw a jump there. Adding confidence to the short-term recovery in China. We talked about it earlier in the week that there is concerns about the Chinese recovery or reopening story post-COVID, essentially also casting doubt a little bit over the long-term growth in China and hence the region. Also, long-term growth, very interesting article I read from the World Bank that is talking now of a potentially lost decade. So the 2020s being a lost decade in terms of growth, really seeing a downturn in global growth outlook over the rest of the decade, essentially driven by the overlapping crisis of COVID, the Russian invasion in Ukraine, and now sort of banking crisis, inflation rate increases, etc., etc. So lots of crisis topics weighing down on growth expectations by the World Bank, but there's light at the end of the tunnel. The World Bank says, hey, if central banks and policymakers are adopting decisive measures, incentivizing workforce participation, reining in on inflation, increasing productivity, lowering trade costs, so taking measures that act as boosts to GDP growth, then this trend can be reversed and the global economy can return back to the long-term growth story. Well, let's see how that develops. We'll keep you posted for more insights. As always, head to containerexchange.com/insights. Would love to hear your comments, your views, especially about today's topics, the global economy, and what you're expecting in terms of interest rates, inflation, global demand. I'm very keen to hear your views. Drop a comment below the video and talk to you soon. This is it for us for today. Have a good Friday and a good start into the weekend, and see you all on Monday. Take care. Bye-bye.